Hamza's recommendation to you on how to make money online might not be the best way. Might not be the best way for you. And why am I saying this? I'm saying this, and I suppose you know that Hamza is recommending people to build an audience and grow it. For example, on YouTube, right? Through creating videos just like this one. But this might not be the right option for you. And the reason is because you might want results, or you might want to see results a little faster. That's the first thing, and the most important one. And creating videos on YouTube it will take time for you to build that audience and be able to monetize it. Okay? It will take time. First of all, you have to choose a niche, or choose your topics. Not necessarily a niche, specific niche, but choose your topics. You have to get rather comfortable speaking in front of the camera. You have to get comfortable uploading the video for the world to see. You have to maybe learn how to edit, create thumbnails, learn about keywords, descriptions, tags, all that. And I'm not saying those are bad things, because I think with everything in life that it's worth pursuing, you'll have to learn, you'll have to invest, you'll have to spend time developing and putting in the effort. So it's not even that, but it's rather the fact that it will take time. Unless one of your videos just blows up and you don't even know why, it will take time, okay? It will take time to build that audience. And I'm gonna give myself as an example. I am a marketer, and I started my YouTube channel last year. I've been consistent with it for the past 5-6 months, around that. And I only have around 350 people that subscribe to my channel. I don't even know exactly, many times I don't even know what videos to make, okay? So, and I know everything about, keywords and description, even though I don't pay that much attention to description, and, the hook, all those things that the big YouTubers are talking about. Yet still, I'm a beginner in this YouTube game, and in about 5 months, I only have about 350 people that subscribe to my channel. And I'm fine with that, but I'm just saying, if you're doing this with the main purpose, like your main purpose is to monetize your channel and to make money off of it, there might be better ways for you. And the second reason why I think this might not be the best is because you are relying, not entirely, of course, but you are reliant on a platform, to blow up one of your videos. Because many times I think you don't even know why a video blew up, okay? And I'm saying this because I did a lot of research on YouTube since I started my channel and all that, and I could see people creating literally the same video, uploading it around the same time. Thumbnail is very similar, the title is similar, almost everything is similar, and one video has 200,000 views and one has 1,000 views. Okay, so it's really, you're relying on the platform, I think, a bit too much. Okay, if that's your sole purpose. And as an alternative, what you could do, there are two things, and I spoke about those in one of my other videos on the channel. One is social media management. That is relatively easy to learn. Basically, the only thing you have to do is to manage the social media, as the name says, manage the social media of busy entrepreneurs or of a business page, for example, business Facebook page. Okay, so you see someone has a business, you know someone has a business, you check their Facebook and Instagram, and you see they're not posting regularly over there, and then you offer to help to create posts, maybe even go and take some photos with your phone if it's a local business, and post regularly, maybe 3 times a week on their social media, on Facebook and Instagram. And if you have 5, 6 clients like that, and you're from USA, I think you could make $1,000. I mean, I did this. I didn't do it for clients in USA. I did it in my home country in Romania. And it's very much possible. And the other one, and again, it won't take you too much time. And you can choose this as a side hustle that will make you money within the next 3-4 months. And at the same time, do what Hamza said and what other YouTubers and what other people are saying and recommending. Create a YouTube channel and start building your audience. But I've seen so many channels in the past where the person is starting posting and maybe is posting every day. He says he's committed to it, and then he only has 200 subscribers after 6 months, and he loses motivation and he quits. Because this might not be your bet or the best way to go about things if you want to start making some money online. So what I said, social media management, that you can learn pretty easily online. I mean, I assume you already use Facebook and Instagram. Just do a little bit of research, watch some YouTube videos, ask ChatGPT, and you can learn this. And then just go and, look through your phone and through your contacts and see who has a business and offer to do it at a low price. Okay, so that I think is a better way. Or it's a better way than just starting YouTube and trying to make money with YouTube. You can do that at the same time, but I would say do, for example, social media management. And the second one is what I do, is to learn marketing. That's what I did. Learn marketing, invest in buying books, buying courses to learn as much as you can about marketing, and then choose a platform and specialize on that platform. For example, Facebook, and then you can do Facebook ads. And you can either start with that, or you can do first social media management and then transition to Facebook ads, because that's more valuable. You can charge more for that because you're actually bringing your customers. Okay? You bring your clients new clients. You make them money. So you can charge a little bit more for that. And again, I'm not saying crazy numbers here, but I think, or crazy results here, but I think in 1 year you can actually learn this, be decently good at marketing, and potentially even quit your job with this, while at the same time you are building your audience, you upload videos consistently on YouTube, or make posts on Instagram or whatever it is. But this is what I think. This is my opinion. I think there's better ways or better businesses or better side hustles to start than just a YouTube channel, than just creating your brand, basically, or than just, building an audience on YouTube or whatever other platform it might be. I think there's better alternatives to this. So yeah, that's it. This is my thoughts. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section down below, and see you in the next one. Cheers.